TNT gang was pop. Hey, it's your boy Tony B, and we back again with another lit video. And today, man, we're gonna be working on this stupid bed, y'all. As y'all may have seen in the live stream, I got a lot of rust back here. Got a lot of things I gotta accomplish. I'm trying to strip off most of that old bed liner. Look like it's old spray can bed liner. I'm gonna knock that off. I want to make sure I do that before I do anything outside of the bed, because I still got a lot of prep work on the outside too. And if you guys missed the last video, we're gonna sand down this red paint and we're going to hit it with the HVLP gun, man. We're gonna try to see if we can make it look a little better. I know it looked like a mess over there, but we're gonna get it situated, man. I told y'all, man. I got y'all. I got this content for y'all, man. It's gonna be lit. We're gonna make it.
Nope.
I hope we're gonna make it. But yeah, let me shut up, man, and let's get to the video. Let's go.
Choose your fighter. Slightly inspired. Fight.
All right, guys. What the? Oh, hey, y'all don't do what I do. Put a mask on, and put some protective eyewear on, y'all. Don't be like your boy. Don't be stupid, man. Don't be stupid. But hey, as y'all can see, I really ain't getting nowhere. On the top, I got most of the surface rust off. What I'm gonna have to do, it looks like this thing right here, I get a lot of this stuff off right here for some reason. The grinder won't get it off. But well, I have an 80 grit sanding disc, so I don't know if that one's good enough, but I got this. I'm gonna go to work on this, and I got this brush. But yeah, man, this is gonna be, you know, a boring oh man, I look like I got some on the lens, y'all. Yeah, this is probably gonna be a boring video, y'all, but you know, I'm gonna show y'all all the steps that I take, man, and try to get this thing, you know, to the best ability that I can do it. Let me see. Yeah, it may not be perfect, but hey, we're gonna get it the best way we can do it. And as time go on, as I get more money, this thing will be pristine. It'll be nice. We'll have it perfect. You know, I have to get a brand new bed or get a bed fabricated, which I'm gonna fabricate my own bed. I'm gonna try to show y'all how I'm gonna, you know, put some wood back there. I'm gonna go ahead and let y'all know I'm putting wood back there. I'm gonna try to, you know, make it the best I can. And yeah, I'm gonna bring y'all along on the journey. So
You gay.
y'all just stay tuned, sit back, eat some popcorn, laugh at your boy, cause I'm telling you, it's gonna be some funny moments coming up, man. Cause you know how I do, I be jacking up everything. But hey, yeah, I just want to give y'all a quick update. I'm gonna go ahead and see if I can finish up a little bit more. I maybe go ahead and prime it. I won't, you know, show y'all all that, man, cause y'all know how that is, man. Y'all know what to do with that. A lot of y'all got more more car sense than I do.
Accurate.
Sad. I'm just an entertainer, y'all. Just an entertainer.
Stupid.
All right, guys, your boy been out here putting in work. Yeah. As you can see, may not look as pretty as it should look, but you know what I'm saying? It's still some paint right here, but it's pretty smooth. It's not bad. What I'm gonna do, I got some Loctite rust converter. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna Slab that all on that. Slab that all on that. Because, hey, when I put these planks of wood down here, you're not even gonna see it. So I just want to prevent the rust from coming back. And yeah, up top, all I'm gonna do is prime it, y'all. Just I'm not gonna do any kind of body fill or anything because there's a couple spots I gotta sand down in so you know it don't chip up. Right up in here, a couple dents, but hey, it's not that bad. What I did on this side too, I did the same thing. I grinded it all the way down to metal. Which y'all don't, if y'all don't know, I'm not gonna grind the whole truck down the middle. I just ain't got time for that, y'all. What I wish I might have done was got some stripper, some paint stripper, and hopefully that would have made it a little better situation. But at the same time, I didn't want to have all that stinking smell, man. If y'all know what the aircraft paint remover smell like, man, woo, it stank, bro. It does. It really stank. So yeah, I was trying to prevent that, but with this, it just make a lot of mess. But hey, we can deal with a lot of mess. You know what I'm saying? We can clean it up. Down here, I still gotta do something with these beams down here. I'm gonna continue to wire brush these to try to knock them down with the most you know, cleanliness I can. And I also found some some undercoating, and I'm gonna do that on this beam right here. I'm gonna put some undercoating on this just to keep it you know, from rusting again. I'm gonna put primer on it, but I'm gonna put some undercoating on it so it can be black like this part. What I did on this part, I put what is it, that rust converter? I can't remember where you can paint right over the rust. Your boy done lost all his brain cells, man. It's hot out here. But yeah, I do this for y'all, man. I do this for y'all. I here grinding, trying to make this content, you know, so y'all can laugh and enjoy, you know, what I'm doing and just see the progress I'm making on this truck, man. It ain't much, but you know what I'm saying? I'm trying to do my best, man. I'm trying. So let's get back. Let's get back to work. I'll cut y'all back on when I...
Shut up! 24 hours later.
All right, guys, it's the next day. As y'all can see, I did get most of the chipping bed liner off. Some of that stuff up top, man, I'm not gonna keep stressing myself out. It's too hot out here to be trying to do that. But what I did, I just hit it down with 80 grit, knocked it as smooth as I can, you know, just to get it to where it can get a little bite. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and put some self-etching primer on there. When you go into the bare metal, I don't know everything about paint, but I know one thing. You gotta put self-etching primer on there so that it don't just keep rusting. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and put that on there. Just on the bare metal parts, and then we're gonna put some regular primer on the rest of it. All right, let's get to work.
Choose your
Gang, as y'all can see, your boy went on, did what he had to do, y'all. I didn't film too much of it, man, because it's redundant, man, and it's boring. So, you know, I went on and painted the top. As you can see, it's primed. I was trying to walk away from that loud air conditioning, but hey, I got to show y'all what happened, man. As y'all can see, it's not perfect up there, but I went on and primed the top. Oh, yeah, I forgot to say the Ninja Man. Roblox Ninja, but I'm gonna tell y'all something, man. He was getting his butt beat by a girl yesterday in Roblox, and he got so mad.
I was about to rob.
Oh, man, you was about to what?
I was about to erupt.
Ah.
I got her 10 times in the game.
Yeah, he was about to erupt, and I had to tell him to take a break, because I know how it is, man. When you keep losing, it's not fun. But let me get back on the subject.
Perfect.
Boy, yeah. Let's get back at the subject. At the bottom, as I was saying before, I did the undercoating, which is that Rustoleum, again, Rustoleum undercoating, which pretty much you're not going to see the black part when I put the wood deck up here. I'm gonna try to make sure I can make a nice little wood floor. I'm gonna show y'all how I'm gonna do it. I don't know what I'm doing. We just go by the seat of our pants. Y'all can go down there in the comment section and just let me know what y'all would do, because I don't really want to get a big sheet of metal, man, because that's real expensive. And yeah, I can get some lumber from maybe the local lumber yard, or you know, I can go to Home Depot, which it probably won't be the best wood, but you know, hey, we just doing this, you know, just to make it look good, man, and to get by for the time being. You got something to say to the gang, man?
Yeah, make sure you subscribe in one day. And I mean, one day, I might even do my own Roblox channel.
Oh, yeah, that's all he worried about. He wants y'all to subscribe, so when he does get his own Roblox channel, y'all can go over there and subscribe to his Roblox channel. But yeah, hey, y'all can do that if y'all want to when that time comes. But hey, hopefully you guys like the video. I can't always say hopefully for some reason. But we're going to keep grinding on this C10, man. We're going to do the best we can. I'm going to finish up that other side off camera, because I know y'all don't want to see that, man. I just did the half just so you guys can see the difference between the two. Let me show you. Y'all saw it. I'm going to show y'all again anyway, you know, just to let y'all know. See, that side was all rusty. That side all good and clean. And then, you know, pretty much we're going to paint this inside and here. That was already done before. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna probably end up scuffing this stuff up, and then we're gonna hit it with the paint, y'all. Hit it with the paint. We'll probably do that in another video, but I'm gonna have to go ahead and finish this side up. But hopefully you guys like the video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you share it. Share it with your homeboys, man. Hey, oh my gosh, I was gonna say 3T. TNT is growing, man. We building this gang up, y'all, and I'm telling y'all, it's finna be lit, y'all.
Yeah, and make sure you subscribe to one of my videos, whatever I make.
Oh, he gonna make sure y'all subscribe to his stuff, y'all. But hey, y'all have a blessed day. Peace.
You want my advice? Don't play yourself.
And subscribe, fool.
What did you come down here for? Tell me.
To get delivered more.
To get delivered. Do you believe that the Lord tonight has set you free?
Yes, sir.
Turn around and tell those people. Tell them. I'm not gay no more. I am delivered. I don't like men no more.